How to use DALL-E 2. DALL-E 2 is an artificial intelligence or AI program developed by OpenAI that can generate images from textual descriptions. All you have to do is give it a prompt and it will generate images that will match your ideas. To get started, open your browser and search for DALL-E 2. Click on the very first link that you get and you will reach this new web page as shown on the screen. Here, go ahead and click on Try DALL-E. Go ahead and sign in. If you don't have an account, then you can simply create an account by clicking on that sign up button. Once you have successfully signed in, you'll see the page as shown on the screen. Here you can do two things, either give it your very own prompt or click on that surprise me and it will generate a random prompt. You can just go ahead and experiment with it. The more descriptive it is, the better the result will be. Once you are satisfied with the prompt, just go ahead and click on generate. And another thing to keep in your mind is that you will only get 15 free credits per month. And if you want to continue, you have to buy the credits. Once the images are generated and if you find one that you like, you can also create the variation of that very art. All you have to do is click on it. There you can see this variations option. Just click on it and you'll get the variations of that very art. If you want to save any, just click on it, then you will see this save option. Just go ahead and click on it again, and that is all you need to do. Now that you know the basics, you can just go ahead and experiment with it and have fun. And that is all for how to use DALL-E 2. I hope the video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.